Hello and welcome back to my channel. So here I am again with a new video. I basically ordered a couple of essentials from Nykaa and I just thought I'd do a quick haul and tell you guys what I have ordered, what services are available with Nykaa. But before doing that, just take a moment to please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you can get more notifications as soon as I upload my new videos. So I ordered a couple of items from Nykaa. Nykaa is currently delivering, but their delivery services are a little bit delayed owing to the current situation about the COVID-19. However, they do not let you order any cosmetics. All your hygiene and other essential hygiene related products are available for order. And since I was running out of a couple of things and you cannot really go for those salon appointments, so I did end up ordering a couple of things that I would be needing in the coming few days. So moving on, the very first item that I want to talk about is I've ordered this Embryolisse cream. If you can see, now this is my second pack of the cream. It's a very nice hydrating moisturizing cream. I normally do my morning as well as my night care skin routine using this cream itself. It is very moisturizing. It in fact acts as a very good moisturizing cream just before putting on makeup, so your makeup does not end up looking very cakey and very dry. The second pack, like I told you, I've ordered. I am absolutely in love with this cream, and let me know if you'd like me to review this cream. You require a detailed review of the cream, I would be happy to do so. The second item that I ordered was the Lotus Herbals White Glow DD cream. Now I've used a couple of BB and CC creams in the past. In fact, on a regular basis I do not use a foundation. I normally use a BB or a CC cream, whichever I am using at that point in time. This DD cream was something that I thought I should try, and not a lot of DD creams are available in the market. I've used this product once already, and I would love to do a review, but before that I do want to try it in a couple of different ways so that my review is more detailed and it can actually help you to understand whether you want to buy the product or not. So the second one here, and this also comes with an SPF 20. So if you are using it on a regular day, not going to be out in the sun too much, you need not put on a sunscreen. It comes with a SPF 20, but if at all you have a little bit of sun exposure, I'd suggest you layer a sunscreen under this product. The next product I want to talk about is this particular toner. It's from Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. It's a clarifying acne spray. Now, while I was browsing through Nykaa and looking out for toners, I came across this, and like I've told you before also, that I do have a big time acne problem. I do break out very often, and this particular toner is something that I really wanted to lay my hands on. I've been using it for about 3 to 4 days now, and it's giving me quite a decent result. My breakout has reduced. However, this is again another product that I would like to review for you, a detailed review of course, so that you can decide on whether this product is good enough or not. The next thing that I want to talk about is this face wash from Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic. It's the white tea and chamomile face wash. What it says, it is an everyday pollution defense. Now I've been a big fan of the way Blossom Coach and Aroma Magic basically package their products. It's so beautiful, it's so floral, it comes in such pretty colors that every time I've passed a counter, I've always wanted to pick up something or the other and just try it on. So yeah, I was running out of face wash and I came across this one and I thought I should give it a try. Again, this is something I've been using for about a week now, and it is giving me results. In fact, I do have a review of this one coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that, and let's move on to the next product. Next, what I want to talk about is the Requil Under Eye Cream. If you can see this This is basically a non-comedogenic under eye cream. It has a very creamy texture. This is a cream that I am trying for the first time. I've been looking out for good under eye creams. It's not a very expensive one. Normally you find very pricey products when you talk about under eye. This one retails for about 550 rupees. Again, have been using it for a couple of days, but I think I'll wait for about 3 to 4 weeks to actually tell you whether this is good enough a product or not. So yeah, I will review this product, but I still need a couple of weeks for that. Okay. Next, moving on, I'll be talking about a few very basic products. Now these are products that are basically not something that you use in your daily skincare routine, but I feel that they were very essential for me to order right now, so I've gone ahead and ordered them. I will also tell you why I made that choice. So this is the next product, guys. It's a Synthol Woman Deo Stick. Why I ordered this was because I have a habit of putting a roll-on under my armpits. I do feel that area needs to be taken an extra care of, and I was running out of my current roll-on. I did not find a lot of options online. This was a cheaper option, but I still thought that I wanted to give it a go. It's a very cheap product, retails for about 60 rupees, and I've used it 2 to 3 times. I think it gives me a decent result. It is definitely lasting. I have not faced any kind of body odors after I have used this product. So I think this is a good product. I think you can go for it if you want to take that extra care apart from the deodorants and the perfume that you order. I think this is a good product, not very pricey. Next, what I've ordered is Dabur Gulabari, a very known brand. It's basically premium rose water that they package it as. I've ordered for a bigger bottle. Now why I have ordered this is because normally I use a Kama Ayurveda rose water. However, that when I was ordering was not available. Plus, I also am making a lot of homemade face masks and skin masks, for which I do need rose water. I prefer adding a rose water instead of adding normal water. So hence I ordered a larger bottle, a bigger bottle, and yeah, I think it's a very good product for the price point that it comes in. It's for a 250 ml bottle, it retails for about 75 rupees, which is a pretty good buy. Next, what I ordered was a Simply Venus razor. Now why I ordered this was because since those salon visits are not happening, I do feel a need for hair removal, and I had the other option of ordering wax strips or cold wax, and I also had an option of ordering hair removal creams. Waxing, I don't think I'm too comfortable doing it on myself, so I gave that a miss. Now talking about the razor and hair removal cream, both of them remove the hair not from the roots but from the surface of the skin. So since both of them work in a similar fashion, I decided not to use chemicals, which is the case in the case of hair removal creams. I decided to use a razor instead, so that I do not put a lot of harsh chemicals on my skin. The next thing that I want to talk about is the Hip Hop Skincare Facial Wax Strips. Now these strips, they say, is dermatologically and clinically tested, and they really help you with your upper lips and side locks. It is good for sensitive skin as well. Now again, I do feel the need for an upper lip and side locks, not that much for my eyebrows though, but I decided to go for this, and maybe this is something I'll be able to manage on my own, I hope. But given an option, if you have people around who can help you out with waxing, I think these strips are a pretty good option, so you can go for these. So this was it. I did order a couple of more items, but because of the current scenario, they did get cancelled and I got a refund. I hope you've enjoyed this video. do stay tuned for my upcoming reviews on some of these products that I've been using, and it's gonna be a very honest review, so stay there. Bye bye.